Hi, this is Matthew Luhn, filmmaker, director, storyteller. I've been working in the entertainment business for 30 years on films like Toy Story and Finding Nemo and Ratatouille, along with working on TV shows like The Simpsons. And I am so excited to be sharing my love and passion for storytelling at ICMI's Contact Center Expo, a digital experience on May 17th. I'm going to share with you how storytelling is not just for entertainment. Storytelling is for business as well, to make those personal, authentic connections, to be able to move people emotionally. You know, the great thing about this event is it's free, and it's going to be on May 17th, and I'm going to be there. So I'm so excited to be able to see all of you at this event on May 17th.